Welcome back, everyone. JP here. Thank you again to those who are subscribed. We are definitely getting the word out about finding the best free or discounted AI software because we know how costs start to add up as content creators. If you're new and like what you see, please feel free to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell to become a part of our awesome community because we have some amazing things coming soon. So today I'm going to be doing an all-inclusive, step-by-step tutorial from conception to publishing on, drumroll please, creating a copyright-free AI music faceless YouTube video, like those soft jazz and spa videos which are currently gaining so much traction. And we're going to be using mostly free programs. So sit back, relax, get cozy, grab some coffee or tea, and let's get this hangout session started. Now the next 8 steps can be confusing, so to make it easy to follow, I included the exact steps in the description below with the links to the programs I am going to be using. Feel free to click on the chapters in the description if you want to see something specific or if you just want to skip a section. Now the links to the programs I'm using are also below, and just a quick disclaimer that I am an affiliate on a few of those programs, so I might make a few dollars, which definitely helps support this channel, so I really appreciate all of you guys. So the first thing we need to do is find out what people are searching on YouTube using a program called vidIQ. We need to make sure we have a huge audience. The second step is we're going to head to ChatGPT to help us create the perfect music description to enter in our AI music software, Suno.AI. The third step, we'll head to Suno and use that description to generate 7 to 10 songs. The fourth step, we'll head over to OpenArt.AI to create our background image for the video and our thumbnail. Step 5, we'll head to Canva to finalize our image for the background and our YouTube thumbnail. Step 6, once we have our final image, we'll head over to Final Cut Pro or CapCut to piece together our mix with our image. Step 7, we'll drag this into our YouTube channel, and then I'm going to show you how to optimize your YouTube settings so lots of people will find your video. And last but not least, step 8, we'll publish the video and watch the magic happen. All right, let's get going. All right, we are starting on step 1 here. The first thing we need to do is find out what people are searching on YouTube using vidIQ to make sure we have a huge audience. So I would like to create some type of fall or autumn mix. Now I'm a sucker for jazz music, so we're going to find something in that venue. All right, so we're going to head over to vidIQ, which I'm in right now for one of my channels, and we're going to go to keywords. So just a quick note about vidIQ. If you have multiple channels, I have vidIQ connected to just one of my channels, but with the Chrome extension, vidIQ works with all of your channels that are connected with your Gmail address. So let's go ahead to keywords, and we're going to search. You see I've already started looking at some music keywords here. Classical music, 2 million views, 61, score 61. All right, so let's do a keyword search, and let's look at, we're gonna do autumn jazz, right? I love jazz and I love the fall, so autumn, oh here it is right here. Okay, click on this and hit enter. And here we go. All right, right off the bat, this is an awesome keyword to use. The score's coming up at 69. There are 315,000 people a month searching this, and with medium competition. So this is an awesome keyword to use. So we're going to use this one. Related keywords, is there anything better? No. Autumn jazz music, 56. Jazz music, 64. Fall jazz, 61. Jazz relaxing music, 61. And this is what's awesome about vidIQ. It gives you other keyword ideas that might be scoring better than the keywords that you're looking for. So, but overall, this overview is fantastic. So we're going to be using autumn jazz. Okay, the second step we could do is go to ChatGPT to find us a good description for jazz. Now I could use just Suno.AI, which is here. I like going to ChatGPT to just kind of play around with some different ideas. So I'm going to type in create. Okay, and I love Vince Guaraldi and especially the Peanuts music. So I'm going to say create a music genre description for autumn jazz in the style of Vince Guaraldi. All right, so here we are. It created the perfect description. Now in Suno.AI, it only allows 200 characters, so I do have to ask ChatGPT to bring that down to 200 characters. Again, I use ChatGPT to help me create the perfect description because Suno.AI, it does cost credits, right? So Suno.AI gives me 2,500 credits per month, and every generation will cost about 10 credits. So I don't want to waste that, and ChatGPT is a free program that I can use to just brainstorm my ideas and really hone in on exactly what I'm looking for. All right, so ChatGPT did shorten this, and it says, okay, down here. So it took all these words and it shortened down to 200 characters, blend smooth, soft rhythm, warm harmonies. So what it is missing down here is the soft brush drumming. That is a huge characteristic of Vince Guaraldi music, is the jazz soft drums and gentle bass line. So it has so I'm going to add, okay, autumn jazz inspired by Vince Guaraldi, blends smooth piano melody, soft brush drumming, and warm harmonies. All right, step 3, we're going to head right to Suno and use that description to generate 7 to 10 songs. So here I am in Suno in my account, and enter the description. Okay, it went a bit over. All right, so this is it. Autumn jazz inspired by Vince Guaraldi. Okay, perfect. Offering a peaceful sound to the season. All right, let's go ahead and create our 2 songs. Every creation Suno generates 2. All right, I like the title so far. Oh, okay. Guys, I didn't do something that I should have done. This, I want it to be instrumental. I do not want it to be vocal because I just want it to be background music, right? So this is with vocal.
Golden leaves softly tumble in the cool October air. Memories start to
It's not bad.
of the
It's not bad, but it's not what I want. So this is the second generation.
love we used to share. Through the park steps are light as the breeze begins to play.
It's really good. Now with the 2 generations, if you are creating melodies and lyrics, it does use the same lyrics. So this is one of the, you have to choose one or the other, right? I guess you can upload both, but if you're creating some type of album, you can't use both because it has the exact same lyrics. So we're going to come back up here and we're going to click on instrumental. So let's go ahead and create this. All right, here we go. Nice. This is great. Right, that's awesome because that definitely has a Vince Guaraldi feel. It has an autumn type of jazz, Peanuts feel. That's what I'm looking for. Let's check out the second one. All right, awesome. And because this is just instrumental, you can use these, right? There are no lyrics on this. So I would just go ahead, if you are creating some type of album, you would download the track and then just change the name of the track. All right, since we've truly nailed this description, all I need to do now is just keep generating songs. And obviously we need to curate them and listen to them to make sure they're good. Let's go ahead and create more. All right, so we got 12 songs. I don't think I'm going to use all of them, but I just couldn't stop myself. Okay, so now we need to head over to OpenArt AI to create our background image for the video and the thumbnail. So let's do that now. Let's head over to OpenArt.ai. Okay, so here we are in OpenArt.ai. OpenArt.ai is free. There are options to upgrade, but I did opt to upgrade just because I use it so often. But when I used the free version, it worked perfectly. So again, it's free, so why not use it? All right, so we need a background image for autumn jazz. So let's do a cafe. And you guys couldn't use ChatGPT to help you with a description, but I'm just going to pop a prompt in here and see what happens. Outdoor cafe in the autumn. Lots of flowers and colorful leaves. Let's create it. And I'm using Flux. Hey, not bad. Ooh, look how real that looks. That's outstanding. Okay. So the image ratio is definitely off. So the aspect ratio, I want to make it landscape. All right. And let me switch the model to OpenArt SDXL. This is one of the older models. Flux is the new one. I kind of like OpenArt SDXL. Let's see what it came up with. Wow. Yeah, it's pretty good. Okay, so I like this one. Let me check this one out again. Not bad, but this one did a really good job. So it's landscape. I like that. Let's go. You know what? The skies are too gray. Let me do it again with blue skies and the sun setting. Wow, not bad. Not bad. Okay. Kind of love this AI stuff. Pretty good, pretty good. Okay, I think it's a little bit too bright. That's a nice one. Ooh, I like that one. That one looks good. I'm going to add coffee to the tables. I'm going to say outdoor country cafe in the autumn. Let's try this one, and I'm going to go back to Flux. I said flex. And try that one instead. Oh, I think we might have a winner. I think we have a winner. Wow, that's cool. Okay, no. Let's go here. I like this one a lot. So let's go with this one. We're going to download this. Actually, let's upscale this one. Now, I don't know if you can upscale in the free version, but with the paid version, it does a great job at just making the picture look more crisp, more clear. So let's very, very subtle, ultimate upscale. Yeah, it did a pretty good job. I think it's a little too busy, though. I think I like the original. Let's go back. I'm going to do a precise. I'm going to do a precise upscale. All right. So it finished it. Let's take a look. It looks great. We are going to download this as a PNG. PNG is higher quality. So that is now in our download folder. So we are good with that. If you're looking to generate people, OpenArt does an okay job with that, but Artspace.ai does an incredible job with that. And I'll leave that link in the description too. But if you want to generate people, Artspace.ai is the program to use. All right, so we did that. So we finished with that. All right, step 5. Let's head over to Canva to finalize our background image and our YouTube thumbnail. So here, let's go to Canva. So you can type in thumbnail up here, but I just go to video. I just kind of like the layout of the video, just a 1080p video template. So here we are. And then I'm going to grab my image. Just drag that image right in. So it's a little smaller than I'd like. So I'm actually going to go back to OpenArt. And I'm going to go back and use the expand feature. This is a really cool feature of OpenArt. And it will expand it for me. And I just want to create one expansion image. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, there it is. And we're going to click on it. It looks great. We're going to use that. We're going to add this to Canvas, to our workspace here. And once it loads, we're going to go ahead And we're going to download this image, this PNG. Now we got it. Now we go back to Canva. And we'll delete this old image, and we're going to drag in our new one. Okay, so that's better. Very nice, very nice. So 2 things that we need to do, all right? We need to create our background image for our video. Now, if you want to just create, if you want to use videos, Canva offers so many different video options, but we're going to be using just this thumbnail. And then I'm going to show you a little trick I'm going to use Final Cut Pro and add an effect to go over this to make it kind of look like there's movement in this image. So let's go ahead, and I want to copy this. And so one's going to be our thumbnail for YouTube, and one is going to be the background image for the video. For the thumbnail, we want to add some text here, okay? Okay, I like that. I'm going to go autumn jazz, right? We decided on that. We could use that in our video background also, but okay, we'll see. We will see. Okay, let's go to effects. I'm going to try out, oop, I don't want that. It's going to go to effects, and I'm going to see what it looks neon and make it red. Oh, I like that. So I just went to effects, neon over here, and I changed the color, the text color, to red. And the white, I guess, is the neon that pops out. Okay, I like that. That looks very autumny. All right, so we're going to use that. And we're going to keep it simple. So we'll just leave it like that. Cool. And then thumbnail-wise, I just do a screenshot. And then it sends it right to my desktop. So now the thumbnail is done. And you know what? We'll use the same thing for our background for our video too. All right, so we're good. We are done with step number 5. All right, step 6. Now we have our final image. We're going to head to Final Cut Pro to piece together our mix with our image. Now you can use CapCut for this, but the effect that I like to use is in Final Cut Pro. So I'm going to head over to Final Cut Pro, and we're going to drag our songs into Final Cut Pro also. Or if you're using CapCut, drag it into CapCut. All right, here we are in Final Cut Pro. All right, I'm going to go ahead and drag the songs in. Okay, I'm going to drag them in. There they are. And let's see how long this mix is right now. Right now, the whole mix, oh, it looks like we have a few very short songs. Okay, is about 19 minutes long. 19 and a half minutes. Okay, that's fine. What we do have to do, guys, is we have to do some fade outs, because some of these tracks in Suno just cut abruptly. Put the work in. You're going to have to do a little work to get these right. All right, so but this is what it sounds like. And you'll hear it cut off in a sec. And this kind of goes dead. Too much dead air, all right? So what we got to do is we got to get rid of the dead air. Right, we got to mix this, right? All right, I'm going to do a little fade in. All right, I'm going to do the same thing for the rest of them, and then we'll come back and add the image. All right, so we just did all of our fade ins and fade outs, and everything looks great. So now we're going to drag our thumbnail or our image in, and we have to extend it. Full length of the song. Now, as I had mentioned before, you can use Canva's awesome video library and just use their videos in your video. Okay, so we've got the image in. Now I see these little white lines on the top and on the side. I think I didn't export the right way. Okay, but I just fixed that. Good. Oh, it looks great. Okay. Remember I said before I was going to use an effect to just add a little bit of movement. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to add the infamous bokeh. I don't even know if that's how you pronounce it, but you guys can correct me. Bokeh? 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 I don't know. Anyway, it just adds these cool little like floaters. Just adds some movement. Makes it a little bit more interesting. If it's too many, too much, then you can back those down. So cool. So here we are. We're done. The video is almost done, guys. It's almost done. So stick with me, because now we're going to export this, and then we're going to drag it into YouTube, and then we're going to optimize our YouTube video settings. All right, step 7. Here we go. All right, everyone. The video is done. Now I'm going to grab the video, and I'm going to drag it into YouTube. Before I do, I am going to rename the file, right? It's part of SEO, optimizing our content. So I'm going to rename it Autumn Jazz. All right, I'm going to drag it in. All right, and there it is. And this is a default description and title that's already in here. I'm going to get rid of these. This is going on my Cybertunes channel. Cybertunes Records is the name of the channel. This is one of our channels that we've been building up for the last couple of months. And this channel is now monetized. So we're really excited about that. Okay, so now I have to enter the title. So I'm going to go back to ChatGPT. And I already have an Autumn Jazz genre description. Let's come down here. And I want it to sound like Vince Guaraldi. So he's definitely going to be named in this description as the style inspired by Vince Guaraldi. So I'm going to grab that description, pop it in here. Okay, I'm also going to ask it for a title. Again, I'm probably going to wind up modifying this title a little bit. But this is just to help brainstorm or just get the process started. Let's go ahead. Yep, we definitely need a title. Okay, there we go. I like to add a mode. It's a playlist. Playlist Autumn Jazz. I don't need to add soundtrack for the inspired soundtrack is fine. And I want to add an emoji. So let's do that. Oh, I like these. I'm going to pop these in here. Autumn playlist. I'm also going to take this title. I'm going to pop it down here. And then I need keywords, guys, right? We need to optimize our listing, our video listing with keywords. So I'll ask ChatGPT to provide me with keywords separated with commas. I'll just say keywords. Separated with commas, and it'll give me all of my keywords. And if it's not enough, I can ask it for more. Yeah, I'll just say more. Okay. So I'm just going to copy and paste these keywords, come to the bottom. These are default. I'm going to get rid of these. I'm going to add these keywords down here. You don't have to do this in any particular order. This is just my nutty order of the way I do things. All right. I'm going to add more keywords. All right. I have too many, so I will get rid of the lowest performing keywords. So this is low. 31 is low. 65. Nice. That's high. That's great. 34 is low. 35. And I'll keep removing tags until this turns black, or until the red is gone, I should say. Okay, let's go here, get rid of the 34, get rid of 31. Okay, we are good. And since I say playlist in my title, I'm going to say playlist somewhere in here. All right, we're good. All right, 498 characters out of 500, so we are good. All right, look up on the top. This is vidIQ. This is what I was talking about before. I don't do anything without vidIQ. This is a Chrome extension that vidIQ offers, and while I have vidIQ only connected to one of my channels, the Chrome the Chrome extension allows me to connect it to all of my channels on my Gmail account, which is awesome. And that's vidIQ, guys. Okay, so, but let me just show you what it's looking for to optimize this score to get it to 100. All right, we want to get it to 100. We wanted to get it as close to 100 as possible. All right, and here are the things it's looking for. Your title evokes intrigue and nostalgia. It's clear what your video is about. Your title is easy to understand. Your title isn't too long. So far, so good. My keywords are in the first 200 characters of your description, not words, but first 200 characters. This video has chapters, so these are not checked off. This is what I do not have. So I do not have chapters. I don't have my custom thumbnail uploaded quite yet. I haven't added it to a playlist, and at least one end screen. I haven't done that yet. So the only thing I'm not going to have in here is video chapters, and I can add them because I have titles of the songs. I can go ahead and add video chapters, and to do that, to add video chapters, all you need to do is start with 00:00, and then introduction, or whatever the first song is, okay? Whatever my first song is. So I don't need to do that. But anyway, that's what I would do to create tracks or video chapters in this. And I'm not going to do that, but now you know how to do that. All right. Let's upload the custom thumbnail. And it is here. Yeah, looks great. Okay, good. And we're going to add it to a playlist. We're going to go in Autumn Jazz, Relaxing Jazz Music, and Peanuts. Add it to 3 playlists. Okay, let's go here. Right now, by default, it's not made for kids. That's how I have it set. You do have to check this off where it says, is it altered content? And this is not altered content. My keywords are there. My score now is 92 out of 100. This is awesome. It's getting there, guys. It's getting there. And the last thing that I'm going to add is that end screen. So let's go ahead and do that. So because my channel is monetized, I'm going to turn on monetization. Ooh, I want to go back. Yes, so I'm fine with that. Now I have to scroll to the bottom. I don't have any controversial issues, no sensitive events, so on and so forth. And I'm going to submit my rating. So now I'm eligible for revenue. And we're good. And here's the end screen. Always want to add an end screen. So this is going to, I choose the video and the subscribe feature, and you can choose something else. But video, best for the viewer, and then a little subscribe. Hovering image right here. Good. Let's save this. Next, our score is 96 out of 100. So this video, in theory, should score well, or it should perform well. And I don't have to do the copyright checks because I know this is music that I created with my software. So I'm just going to go ahead and publish the video. So once again, I want to say thank you guys so much for liking and subscribing. Subscribing definitely helps this channel. Also hit that notification bell so when I do release future videos, you guys will know. You'll be the first to know. I've got some really cool content I'm going to be releasing shortly. Now, the links to the programs I used today are in the descriptions. If you have any comments or anything, just leave those below. I'd be happy to answer any questions for you. So I hope to see you on the next video. Take care, everyone.